7, that is solid shapes. And the topic which we are going to do today is cone. And learning outcome is you will know about the properties of a 3D shape, that is cone. Now, before we start with cone, first we will be doing a quick revision of 2D shapes which you already know, which you have already done, which are also called plane shapes. So here are some basic 2D shapes. Like first one, which shape is this? Is it? It is a square. Second is, yes, triangle. Then it is circle, and last it is rectangle. So these are some of the 2D shapes which has only two dimensions, that is length and breadth. Now we learn about solid shapes. So children, you already know that solid shapes, they are also called 3D shapes, that is they have three dimensions, uh, which are length, breadth and height, or you can say depth. And the three more important terms which you use here are face, it is the flat surface of a solid shape, then vertex, it is a corner of an object where the two sides or edges meet. And what is an edge? Okay, so edge is formed when two faces of a solid shape meet. So this you have already done, ma'am has done just a revision. Okay, so what is this, children? Yes, it is a cone. So now we learned the properties of a cone. So first you can see, children, here on the top, this tip of the cone or the corner, you can say, this is called vertex of a cone. Now next, the cone, it has a curved surface. So this is the curved surface. So the surface which is rounded surface and it is not flat. Round means circular in shape. So this is your circle, this is curved, and it is not flat, this is something flat. So the surface which is round in shape, that is circular in shape, is called curved surface. Like for example, it is circular in shape like this circle, and it's not flat like this box. It's not a flat surface, so that surface is called curved surface. So a cone has one curved surface also, like you can see, that is a round surface, that is circular surface. Now next, a cone, it has a plane face. This is a plane face and it is circular flat. It is a circle, as you can see it is given here, but it is flat. Okay, so that's why it is called a plane face of the cone. Okay, so now cone has two faces. Okay, so short recap of whatever we have learned. So the tip of the cone, it is called a corner or a vertex, and this is your curved or rounded surface. Okay, circular surface, or you can say that is curved surface. Then this is your circular plane surface. Okay, it is circular in shape but it is plane. Okay, flat. And then last, this is the circular edge of the cone where both the faces are meeting. So this is the circular edge of the cone. Okay, next what we conclude, that a cone, it has one vertex, one edge and two faces, 1 and 2. One is curved and the other one is circular flat surface. Okay, now here are some examples. Okay, like first example here in the picture is ice cream. Second example is of birthday cap. Again, some items are given here which are again they are having the shape of a cone only. So these are some examples. Now next, some more properties of a cone, like a cone can slide. So this is a cone kept on a table, you can see. Now before the cone was here, and after sliding it on a plain surface here, it has come here. Why? Because its bottom part is a plain surface, that is flat surface. So what we conclude, that a cone can slide. Now next is stacking. So here you can see some cones are stacked, and one thing you have to remember, that solid cones, they can't be stacked. Here all the cones which are stacked, they are and you already know what is stacking. Stacking means keeping something one on the other. Okay, so here the cones which are stacked, they are not solid ones, they are hollow. So now what is the meaning of hollow? Hollow means having a hole or empty space inside. And what is the meaning of empty? Empty means अंदर से खाली होना. So anything which is having a hole or it is empty from inside, that is called hollow, and it's not solid. So here all the cones which are stacked, they are hollow cones. So one thing you have to remember, that only hollow cones can be stacked and not the solid ones. Okay. Okay, now next is rolling. So now you have to see one video, and then you will come to know that a cone can roll or not. Okay children, now what is this? Yes, this is an ice cream. I hope everybody loves ice cream. So you can see, actually this is ice cream cone, and it is of a shape of a cone. Okay, so now ma'am will show you how you can roll this cone, this ice cream cone. Now see carefully. Okay, now see how ma'am is able to roll the cone. So children, why this cone can be rolled? Because it is having a curved surface. This is your curved surface. Okay, ma'am has already taught you. So all the objects, those who are of a shape of a cone, can be rolled like this ice cream.